Parliament has convened. This is the very stormy monsoon session of the Parliament. The Prime Minister has addressed the media ahead of the session and has said crucial for the nation. The Prime Minister has said that it is about national pride, nation building and moving. So the Prime Minister has given a very strong message, and this was before the address began, before the tone for a stormy session. An adjourned motion is to be given by the Congress party in both the break up time again. This, of course, also includes the Pahalgam terror attack as well as operation. After a detailed discussion on the same in Parliament, the opposition has said that the Prime Minister must...
क्रूर हत्या, अत्याचार, नरसंहार, आतंकवादी और आतंकवादी के आके दुनिया का ध्यान उनके दल हित छोड़ करके देश हित मात्र दलों के प्रतिनिधि, ज्यादातर राज्यों के प्रतिनिधि के अनेक देशों में गए और एक स्वर से का आका पाकिस्तान को बेनकाब करने का बहुत सफल अभियान चल रहा है। जो रिसर्च, इनोवेशन और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रहे हैं, इक्विपमेंट बन रहे हैं, उसको भी बल मिलेगा।
My colleagues Niyamika and Tejshi are joining us on the podcast with the details of one meeting 2 days ago to discuss their strategy. Ahead of the Parliament session today, the Congress MPs, also this party has been very clear, they want the Prime Minister's statement. Yesterday, the government had also called for an all-party meeting where they said...
Well, in today's meeting, even in that meeting also, it has been decided that the major focus will be on Pahalgam terror. That side, we have seen that various Congress MPs have given adjournment motion notices in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha to the Prime Minister to be present within the House, and they are also saying that it is the responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to all political parties who are being present there within the House, because they are demanding a state such kind of security lapse has taken place in Pahalgam, and not just that, but they are also saying what is actually leaders in this Parliament session. So we can expect it is also going to be another stormy session of Parliament, but on the action which has been given on the part of the government as well, that there will be kind of discussion. So now the Congress party along with the other opponents that
yes,
if not within the Parliament, then there will be a protest outside the Parliament against the SIR exercise of the election.
Again, during their visits to Bihar as well, but we want to bring into attention what the Prime Minister has said, because the Prime Minister's message before the session began.
पूरी दुनिया ने भारत सैन्य के सामर्थ्य का, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारतीय सेना ने 100% अचीव किया। 22 मिनट के भीतर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर दिया।
So, Tejshi, look at the contrast. On one hand, you have the Prime Minister who is the entire world against terror. In fact, he also lauded the envoys of Operation Sindoor. But on the other hand...
Well, absolutely. You see, Prime Minister, first of all, mentioned about Operation Sindoor. He also mentioned about how the entire world saw that in 20 highlighted power of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the power of Made in India weapons. And that is why, in fact, he recognized within India, but also on a global platform as well. But now, as you have mentioned rightly, that the way in which day one, and not just that, but the kind of statement Donald Trump, US President, has been making on that also, the discussion is situations, or when Trump talked about mediation for the first time, government has been taking their stance very much between two countries, and even if talks are held, the talks only will be held for
achievements. And talking about Operation Sindoor, the Prime Minister also made a mention of how the footprint of Naxalism spoke about green growth trumping the red corridor.